Hi everybody, my name is Amira and I am going to be your teacher this time. We are going to learn about quantifiers. As you know, there are many people who have problems with quantifiers. The use of a lot, many, much, some, few, but this is because they haven't learned it before. I am going to explain them and I hope you realize that it's the easiest thing in the world. Okay, let's begin. We have divided this board in three parts: count nouns, uncountable nouns, and in the middle where we are going to use this space for both of them, because there are some quantifiers that are used with count or uncountable nouns. The first is a lot, bastante, muchos, mucho, a lot of, a lot. These quantifiers is using with both of them, with count nouns or countable nouns. For example, I can say I have a lot of friends, or I can say I have a lot of money. We can use with these quantifiers for questions, for affirmative sentences, or negative sentences. The second quantifier is many. Many, and on the other side we have much. Many is used with count nouns. Count nouns is when we can count them. 1, 2, 3, for example, one chair, two tables, 3 houses. Much is used for uncountable nouns. Is used generally for liquid, grains, mass, and for example, I can say I have much money, I have much coffee, for example. We can use those quantifiers to both of them. We can use with how, so, and to. Yes, how much? Question. ¿Cuánto? So much. Tanto. Too much. Demasiado. How many? ¿Cuántos? So many. ¿Cuánto? Too many. Demasiados. For example, how many friends do you have? I have too many friends. Tengo demasiados amigos. I have too much money. Tengo demasiado dinero. Then we are going to learn about these quantifiers. But those quantifiers are used for high amounts of something. Yes, we are going to learn now when we are going to talk about less quantity. For example, little or a little, few or a few. Yes, I can say what's the difference between little and a little? It's the same. Not exactly. I can say I have a little money. That means that I don't have enough money. And when I say I have a little money, that means that I have a little amount of money. For example, to buy something. When I say I have few friends, say that I don't have enough friends. And when I say I have a few friends that can help me when I need, uh, I say that I have the right amount of friends to solve me. Um, we, uh, I wanna, I want to, uh, I want to give a question. Can I say I have little friends? I have little friends. What do you think about that? Uh, yes, the answer is yes, but the meaning is different. When you say I have little friends, that means that you have little friends. Yes, pequeños, pequeños amigos, muy pequeños. Then we are not, it's not cared this for this moment. We can use instead this word, some. Yeah, some is used for both of the for count or uncountable names. I can say I have some friends, or I can say I have some money. Okay. Next word, fewer. Fewer and less. Fewer is used for uh, excuse me. Sorry. Less, friends, is used for uncountable nouns. This is used for a comparative question. For example, I have less money than last week. Fewer, and on the contrary, I can say I have fewer friends than my daughter, for example. Yes. I remember that some is used for questions. For example, yeah, and is used for affirmative sentences. This is used generally for asking when you are recurring as something. For example, do you want some coffee? For example, there are two words that have different meaning. For example, any. Any is used for count and uncountable names. The word any has different meanings. Algo de, algo, alguno, ninguno. It has different meanings. You just only have to remind that any is used for questions or negative sentences. On the other side, we have the word no. No is used for positive sentences. For example, do you have any trouble? Or no, I don't have any. I can say I have no problems. I have no problems. Or it's used also for questions. For examples, do you have no friends? Okay, this is a very short explanation about this topic. Let's continue to the next step. Thank you.